here at the back. Look. You crawl in here, and you come out in a tent.
Okay.
Isn't that neat? Huh?
Go ahead.
Well, it looks fun.
Well, he'll love it when he gets it out.
Uh-oh, what you got there? What is that?
And more presents.
What is it?
More presents, Dad.
Oh, wow. What is it? More presents.
Is that a tractor?
Go ask Daddy to open it.
Bring it here.
Go ask Daddy to open it up.
Wow.
Is that another one?
Yeah!
What do you got over there?
You sure you don't want this knife?
Huh? Well, I mean, my nails are cutting it, Dad. It's taking me a second to get in there.
Hey, Lance.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, look at this. Wow. Yeah, that's a caterpillar. What is that?
Trucks?
Daddy.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby boy. Let's see. Come here.
Let Daddy open it for you.
Yay.
Another one. Look at that.
Those are from my mom and dad. Yeah. All of them.
Truck?
A tractor.
Yeah, those are yours.
Wow.
You gonna open your last one?
Wow. The climbing thing is full of snow.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Another one?
Wow.
That's it. Open it up. Look at this.
Nope, that's it.
Right behind you. There it is.
Tell my mom and dad thank you. Can you tell him thank you? He's like, I'm trying to get the paper off. Take it to Daddy.
What is it?
Well, bring it here and I'll open it for you, baby.
He has to make sure every bit of paper is off of it. Oh, let me finish wrapping.
Yeah, that almost got tore up.